Hello everyone, Mr. Stevens here with another video, this time on multiplying and dividing algebraic fractions. Essentially both of these are the same thing. When we're multiplying fractions, we're simply multiplying top with top and multiplying bottom with bottom. Dividing algebraic fractions is going to involve more or less the same process, except we just have to use K of C first. And we'll see exactly what that means in a second. We're going to jump straight into some examples though, because you guys should already be pretty familiar with multiplication and division of algebraic terms themselves. I think this should be pretty straightforward. All we have to know to do here is multiply the two terms on the top of the fraction and then multiply the two terms on the bottom of the fraction. A times B is simply AB. 2 times 3 is 6. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Before I do it, I want you guys to have a go at number 2. Just pause the video and take a crack at it yourself and then come back and I'll show you how to do it. Again, it's the same process though. Times the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom. 2x times 6 is 12x. 3 times 5x is 15x. And now we can actually simplify this fraction down. What can we fit into 12 and 15? Well, we can fit 3. We can fit 3 into this 4 times. We can fit 3 into this 5 times. And then we have an x divided by x. Remember, when we have the same letter on the top and bottom of a fraction, we just cancel it out. And we simplify this fraction down to 4 over 5. This step I've just done here is going to be very important. We don't leave our answer as 12x over 15x. We always want to give our answers to these questions in the simplest form we can. Alright, let's look at our division problems now. The thing with division problems is they actually are going to work in the exact same way that multiplication works. We just need to keep, flip, change before we go ahead and solve them the same way we would a multiplication problem. Let me tell you what I mean by keep, flip, change. We keep the first fraction exactly how it is. That's k. Keep the first fraction. Flip means we get the second fraction and we flip it upside down. I've just swapped these two. That's my flip. And the change is we change this divide into a times. And now the problem is exactly the same as a multiplication problem. We multiply the two top things together and the two bottom things. So we end up with 3x over 5x. We can't simplify 3 over 5, but we can simplify x over x. We end up with just 3 over 5. Alright, same deal here. Pause the video, have a go at the next one on your own, and when you come back I'm going to show you how to do it. For this one, I'm going to put the answer down here because I don't have much space on the side there. Remember, k, keep my first fraction the same. F, flip the second fraction. C, change the divide to a times. Now we times top with top and bottom with bottom. 2ab over 4b. And now it's just a simplification problem. 2 fits into 2 once, 2 fits into 4 twice. There's an a on the top but no a on the bottom, so the a will stay where it is, but there is a b on the top and bottom, so we'll cancel those out. And we're left with a over 2. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'll get you guys to practice this by going to the lesson on iLearn, and you will find a worksheet attached to that for you to complete. So yeah, you can get started on that now. Thanks guys.